ladies and gentlemen, your winner, provisionally at least, Inigo Anton, car number 33, followed by Raymond Vidala.
Nagbunyi ang mga taga-suporta at pamilya ni Baguio Boy Car Racer at back-to-back champion Inigo Anton ng Ovingers Racing Team matapos masungkit ang matamis na unang panalo sa nailunsad na Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippines Cup sa Riverbank, Cavite. Matatandaan noong Marso at 13 at 15, 2026 na ilunsad ang unang round ng all-new Tamaraw Class Racers kung saan ang Batang Anton ay sumali sa most intense racing at exciting competition na nasa ilalim ng PGRP Cup. Bagamat hindi naging madali para sa Batang Car Race Champion na masungkit ang matamis na unang pagkapanalo dahil sa ilang error na naitala, ngunit hindi naging balakid para kay Anton, bagkus lalong nagpursige at kinakitan ng willingness at determination hanggang maunusan at dumistansya sa ng malaking agwat sa mga kalaban tungo sa finish line kung saan ay panalo ang Tamaraw Class Sprint Race Weekend 1. Ang magandang resulta na naturang arangkada ay nagdulot ng kagalakan sa bawat individual at grupong sumusuporta sa car race career ng Batang Anton. Sa simula pa lamang, una nang nagpahayag ng mainit na pagsuporta ang kanyang mga magulang at tumatayo rin sila bilang coach at manager ni Inigo. Dahil dito, lalong naging inspirado ang Baguio Boy Car Race Champion hanggang nilamangan ang mga umahabol na kalaban. Pinasalamatan din na Anton ang Mutual Luzon Infinite Serve International Corporation at Manila Auto Salon dahil umano sa laging mainit na pagsuporta na pinagkakaloob sa kanya.
Just finished the first race of the Toyota Philippine Cup, and this is my car, the Tamaraw Cup car. It's the first time I've ever driven it, but I'm really grateful that we were able to come home with the win. These cars are so amazing. It's the first time I've ever driven a truck, let alone also race it. But these cars prove that these cars are also capable of racing. They're as quick as the Vios Cup cars as well. They're a new challenge, but also lots to learn. So I'm really excited to be racing this season, and hope you guys can also catch the Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippine Cup. We're here at River Park, Cavite, and also we'll be in Clark and Batangas later on in the year.
Mula sa Baguio City, kasama si Grace Espino, Fred Ruyuda para sa Mata ng Agila, Northern Luzon. Matatag, matapang, matapat.